me, Timmy Times. You may know that I like multiplication because it tells a story about the number of times groups of things are added together. When talking about multiplication, there are two important words everyone should know. Those words are factor and product. The factors describe a number of things in a group, and how many times they should be added together. The product is what we call the correct answer. Let's look at how to multiply by 0. I promise, this will be easy. You can even find the product without using a pencil and paper. Here's what you should know about 0. When you multiply something by 0, your answer will always be 0. This is because you are multiplying your factors 0 times. This actually means you are not multiplying anything at all. It's the same thing when you multiply 0 by any factor. Your answer will always be 0. When I multiply by 0, I use my Simon Says trick. When playing Simon Says, you know that if Simon doesn't say it, you shouldn't do anything. This is the same for 0. If any of your factors is 0, then you don't multiply anything. For example, you need 1 banana to make a smoothie. However, you don't have any bananas. Because of this, you will make 0 smoothies. This is an example to show how 1 times 0 equals 0. The 0 trick is really cool because no matter how big the numbers or how many factors you have, when you multiply by 0, your answer will always be 0. Now, it's time to see how well you understood this. What is 1,000,000 times 0? I'll give you a moment. Don't forget to use my trick if you get stuck. If your answer was 0, you are correct. Remember, 0 times anything is 0, and anything times 0 is 0. That was really fun! I can't wait to tell you more about multiplication. See you next time!